Is it time to buy or sell Coreweave Class A common stock? In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive analysis of Coreweave Class A common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with even deeper insights. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 10th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Coreweave Class A common stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.45. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -4.28%. This translates to an average loss of -1.43% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $128.42 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 229.42% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 219.58% and 453.16%. Our latest daily update for Coreweave Class A common stock includes the headline, CRWV Inc. Class A common stock price up more than 5.19% on Monday. The CRWV Inc. Class A common stock price gained 5.19% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, rising from $125.84 to $132.38. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.37%, moving from a low of $129.99 to a high of $135.67. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a decline of 17.26% during this period. Volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 11 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.5 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $186.94, while the lowest was $33.51. Currently, the price is 29.19%, or $54.57, below the 52-week high of $186.94, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Coreweave, with the ticker symbol CRWV, has recently garnered attention due to its remarkable performance and strategic initiatives in the artificial intelligence infrastructure sector. At present, CRWV has experienced an astonishing growth of 209% over the past 3 months, indicating strong investor confidence. However, there are concerns regarding the sustainability of this rally, particularly in light of aggressive capital expenditure plans. The company's acquisition of Core Scientific aims to streamline operations and reduce costs by $500 million by the year 2027. While this vertical integration is anticipated to enhance operational efficiency and speed up infrastructure development, the market reacted negatively to the announcement, resulting in a decline in CRWV shares. This volatility highlights the delicate balance between growth potential and immediate market reactions. Furthermore, Coreweave's expansion efforts in Texas could place a strain on local energy resources, raising concerns about future operational risks as it seeks to double the electricity demand in Denton. This situation may lead to increased caution among investors in the short term. Despite recent fluctuations, Coreweave's partnerships with major technology companies signify long-term potential. Projections suggest that CRWV may outperform its competitors, including Palantir Technologies, by late 2028, contingent upon its ability to leverage current trends and competitive advantages. In summary, while Coreweave demonstrates strong growth and significant potential for future expansion, The shifting market dynamics and operational challenges are likely to influence its stock price in both the short and long term. Investors will need to remain attentive as developments continue to unfold. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CRWV a neutral grade with an initiate action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a market perform grade with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned CRWV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWV a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Coreweave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Coreweave's Class A common stock. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect its near-term development. The Class A common stock of Coreweave Inc. shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $146.44 and $146.73. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 27.89%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 51 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Coreweave Class A common stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $107.39 and $105.55. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this could lead to a drop to the next support level. In this case, Coreweave Inc. Class A common stock finds support just below today's level at $107.39. If this support is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $105.55 and $100.16. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.68 between its high and low, translating to 4.37%. For the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.61%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Coreweave Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies encounter downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, Consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 23 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Coreweave Class A common stock. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Coreweave Class A common stock is at $135.05. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Coreweave Class A common stock encounters its first support level at $107.39. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Coreweave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On July 6, 2025, Boone Caron executed an insider sell of 1,460 shares of restricted stock units. On July 6, 2025, Boone Caron executed an insider buy of 260 shares of Class A common stock. On July 6, 2025, Boone Caron executed another insider buy of 1,460 shares of Class A common stock. On July 6, 2025, Boone Caron conducted an insider sell of 260 shares of restricted stock units. On June 30, 2025, McB Brannan executed an insider sell of 109,380 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 53 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 25.109. In total, insiders purchased 2,816,065 shares and sold 1,424,852 shares in the last 53 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Coreweave Class A common stock a good buy? Coreweave Inc. Class A common stock currently shows several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Coreweave Inc. Class A common stock will experience weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock has shifted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, July 15th, we expect Coreweave Class A common stock to open higher by 0.03 of a dollar, starting at $132.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.